What's up, guys? It's Heady Evo. I just got off work and I got some awesome stuff in the mail today, so I figured I'd let you guys check it out. Got the Aeroflow Dynamics side skirt splitters in. I've had my front lip for a little bit, but I wanted to wait to get these in so I could put them both on. Just gonna look good. Alright guys, so I got her jacked up. I'm gonna start with the side skirt splitters. I'm gonna tape it off, measure it out so I got it all even, and then I'll show you guys where I'm at after that. Alright, so I had it taped off. My buddy Tanner, he helped me screw it on. We screwed the middle, the end, and this end. We got it sticking out 1.5 inches all the way. It's already looking good. It's all on. Looking clean. Here's compared to the other side. No splitter. Boo-hoo. Splitter. The lip splitter got on. Much easier. Didn't even have to tape it up. It clipped on each side. Oh yeah. This side's done. Got this side taped off. Gonna do the same thing, put it under, screw it down 1.5 inches out. It's gonna be like a new Evo. Everything on. Lip splitter, side skirt splitters didn't take too long, no problem. So it's a rare occasion in the car community working on it, not coming across any problems, at least my opinion. So let's see how she looks.
Who the fuck you rockin' with?
Hope everyone enjoyed watching it. Head over to my Instagram at Heady Evo to check out the new Heady Lifestyle t-shirts. And make sure you subscribe because I got plenty more good content coming. Everyone have a nice day and stay heady.